Hey guys, this is Audi at Vivid Racing. Today we have this beautiful Gen 1 R8 in the shop. And this is gonna get FI exhaust system along with VR tuned. Before we jump right in, let's take this on a dyno and get a stock baseline runs. Now that you guys seen the stock dyno numbers, let's move on to the exhaust. Here we have FI exhaust system. This is full Volkswagen exhaust system and we're gonna be installing on this R8. There you have it guys. This exhaust system is absolutely beautiful. All the wheels are so clean and it's gonna look fantastic on the Audi R8. Enough talking, let's get to the install. Now that you guys seen the exhaust system installed on the R8, as you can see, the exhaust system is beautiful. No modification were required to install the system. That means no cutting, no welding. Simple bolt-on process. Now we're gonna pair that with VR Tune and see how much horsepower we make.